Because what we have here on this boat, you've got, everything is obviously push buttons. When you push one button, it goes a particular speed. When you push both buttons, it goes even faster. But,
oh yeah?
Yeah. Okay, ready when you're ready. Okay, you're there. You're already going back in again. You see that? It's really fast. And it is just like a big Genoa for light winds. Yeah. Okay, so when you're ready to go away, here we go. And that's the first speed. That's the slow speed. You can go quicker than that if you want.
E cuspir é a mesma coisa.
So as I was explaining, when you push the out, it goes at one speed, and if I hold this one in and then press that one, it doubles the speed.
Oh, right.
Yeah.
Good.
And it's the same with all of them.
With all the buttons.
All of them.
Okay.
Yeah. With the winch that you have here, this one's got the two buttons, but I can actually operate that. I can do one speed.
Yeah.
Then I can do two speeds or three speeds. And I can do 1, 2, and then 3. Yeah, just with that.
Wow.
And what this one does is, you'll see in a minute, we'll put the out haul onto this winch, so to pull the sail out, and we'll push that button, and it will operate this winch to pull the sail out. So it will operate with the engine of the in-mast furling and the out haul working together. So you only have to press the button, and the sail comes out.
Okay.
Yeah. Obviously, to go in, you have someone here, open up the rope clutch, press in, and the sail will go in. So it does all of that for you. Yeah, it's a pretty impressive system. Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah. Inside here, you've got the extrusion.
Mm-hmm.
Where the sail goes into the mast, it's an asymmetric shape. So it furls one way, so it rotates this way, so it goes
to
in
furl,
and to furl the sail.
To unfurl is like
Yes,
like
exactly.
This.
Yes.
So it's always better to furl with the wind by this side.
Well done. Yeah. Exactly. So bring the boom in a little bit, and you can furl away. If you're on port, centre the boom and put the sail away.
Okay.
Yeah. So what we have here, main sail up. Listen carefully. That's the alarm. That's operating with the engine in the mast and that way. You're nearly there. That's it. You're there. What's very important here, guys, when you have two sails close to each other, is to make sure that nothing is wrapping around the other one, because that's when you can have a serious accident. Okay. Opening the code 0. Oh, can you ease your seat there, Carlos? Hotel's going. Okay, when you're ready to furl away, furl away. Go on, go on.
Ok. Tá, pronto, tranquilo. Então, olha.
Okay, off you go. There's a system that rotates freely.
Really, yeah.
So it cannot be moving there, but it can still be rotating at the top. Okay,
yeah.
So you just need to just see if it's all opening.
Go, yeah, look up.
Exactly, just keep looking up and make sure it's not getting caught somewhere downwards. So
Okay.
just keep an eye on that. Yeah.
This way we test out the sail.
Yeah, absolutely. It's perfect.
Perfect. Good. Good, good, good.
Are we there?
Yep.
Okay?
Okay.
Yeah.
Perfect.